Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and this is going to be my analysis video for today's trade. Let's get started. We are not having any high impact news, so let's move to the charts. Uh, this is the monthly chart, and what we are having is we are having this FVG range from where the price is actually reacting, and we have closed, not yet, but will be most likely closing right above this high, and that will confirm a bearish bias into the monthly levels. Now let's move to the weekly charts. As we move into the weekly charts, what we see is that the price has given a close right below this candle's low, which is one of the significant close because this confirms that the price holds the bearish bias into the weekly levels too. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, this area comes within the wick range of the weekly, and we see a FVG right here. So I'm anticipating that the price will most likely react from this particular area, but still we have 2 days left for the monthly levels, so I'll be analyzing the market according to that. But for now, this area will act as an area of liquidity for me. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that the price is really bullish, and we are having this BPR, sorry, the volume imbalance zone right here. Apart from that, what we see is that the price was reluctant to close above this structure, but we got a close right above this candle's high, which is showing that the price in the 4 hours is still bullish, and I'll be waiting for the confirmation of the bearish trend in the lower time frames. Let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, what we see is this FVG area, which is most likely a BPR area, but I'll consider that an FVG area, a FVG area, and I'll be anticipating that most likely the price will come down, and then we are going to go up to take this particular high. Though we are having this FVG range within the 4-hour FVG range. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, we see FVG in the 1 hour chart. So this will be my area of entry, and my target will be a little higher, most likely this particular high. I'm considering all of them as liquidity because the price hadn't taken any liquidity till this level. So I'll be waiting for the price to take all these highs, and then we are going to come down. Moving to the 30 minutes, we see that this area is already mitigated, but price is reluctant to go higher. So this particular low will be the area of invalidation, and if the price breaks it with a candle close, I'll be anticipating that all of these moves will turn into liquidity by the price. Moving to the 5 minutes directly for the session liquidity, I'm anticipating that this Asia session will be having this level at a 50%, and then we are going to go higher. So this is the overall bias for today's trade. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see the market today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.